In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Phantom Wallet username. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom application. And if you haven't already created a username, you should get a banner over here that says create your @username. So let's go ahead and press on that like so. And then it is going to give us this really cool animation really quickly. So just wait for it to actually go ahead and play out. And then it will say create username. And all you want to do is you want to press on continue. Now go ahead and select your username for your Phantom Wallet. So let's go ahead and make one right over here. Let's call it how to now, just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and press on continue. So then you guys will actually go ahead and get the chance to make an avatar. So I'm just going to put this fire emoji like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on save, and then go ahead and press on continue. Once you're over here, go ahead and press on continue once more, and then it is going to display all your public addresses. So any tokens or collectibles sent to your username will send to these addresses. So go ahead and just press on create username once you went ahead and are satisfied with everything, you've chosen a name that does work with you. And just like that, all you need to do is return it back to the home page, and you will now notice that we will have our username over here. It does say how to now. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.